How to use private keys and digital wallets in the cryptocurrency market. Private keys and digital wallets are fundamental components in the cryptocurrency market, essential for the security and control of digital assets. Here is a detailed explanation of both. Private keys. Definition. A private key is a sequence of numbers and letters that serves as a type of encrypted password to access and control cryptocurrency assets associated with a specific digital wallet. Importance. The private key is the only way to authenticate ownership and authorization to move funds from a given cryptocurrency wallet. It is fundamental for signing transactions on the blockchain and, therefore, is crucial for the security and integrity of operations. Management. Private keys must be kept absolutely confidential. Anyone who has access to the private key associated with a wallet can control the funds in that wallet. Format. Private keys are usually represented as strings of numbers and letters, typically in formats such as hexadecimal or base 58. Digital wallets. Definition. A digital wallet is a software, hardware, or online service that stores a user's private keys and allows them to manage their cryptocurrency assets. Types. Software wallets. These are computer programs or mobile applications that store private keys on electronic devices. Hardware wallets. Physical devices specifically designed to store private keys offline, offering a high level of security. Online wallets. These are web services that store private keys on remote servers. While they are convenient, they are also more susceptible to cyber attacks. Security. The security of digital wallets is fundamental, as any failure can result in the permanent loss of digital assets. Best practices include using offline, hardware, wallets for long-term storage and online wallets for daily transaction purposes only. Recovery. Most digital wallets provide a recovery phrase, also known as a seed phrase, that can be used to restore access to the wallet if the private key is lost. Addresses. Digital wallets generally generate public addresses from private keys, which are used to receive funds. Each public address is tied to a specific private key and can be freely shared to receive payments. In summary, private keys and digital wallets are critical components for participating in the cryptocurrency market, ensuring security and control of a user's digital assets. It is essential to understand how they work and adopt good security practices to protect investments in cryptocurrencies. Thank you, guys.